Margao Municipal Council Chairperson Damodar Shirodkar is either lying or ignorant about the affairs of his own civic body. When we raised questions about the issues of non-performing traffic signals at Fatorda, Shirodkar asked whether we knew who is in possession of the signals. He said that Fatorda MLA Vijay Sardesai is in possession of it. Look what he said.
जे ते प्रश्न विचारल्या पळय पयली सुवातेर ते सिग्नल म्युनिसिपालिटीन घाल्या काय घालूं ना कोणे घाल्या सिग्नल तू खबर आहा
ते सिग्नल आमकां कळलेलें की
ही सिग्नल कोणे घाल्या
विजय सरदेसायान घातलेले
गुड मागीर ऑनरेबल एमएलए फातोर्डा ताणें घातली ऑलरेडी आमी लायटी बील फारीक करता ताजें दो ऑल्दो आमच्या पोजिशनान ना कळ्ळें न्ही आमच्या पोजिशनान आसपा जाय न्ही आनी ही वस्त समज मडगांव म्युनिसिपालिटीची ही मडगांव म्युनिसिपालिटी गोष्ट चलयता जाल्यार ह्या म्युनिसिपाक खर्च करपाक जाय न्ही ह्या वस्तूचेर आमच्या पोजिशनान ना तें आमच्या पोजिशनान ना तें.
Now we are in possession of minutes of the meeting of Margao Municipal Council. The minutes of MMC held on August 25, 2021 has clearly taken a resolution to take over traffic signals. The resolution proposed by Nemesia Falero and seconded by Francis Joans reads, the council unanimously resolved to take over the traffic signals at Old Market, TJN Stadium, St. Joachim Circle, Gogol and Arlem Circle to award AMC contract of maintenance of the signals. Goa News Hub has been following this issue for the sake of people. MMC chairperson Damodar Shirodkar needs to go through the old files so that he will be aware and not make any arrogant, misleading statements.